Guys, what we have here is my 2000 watt e-bike, and as you can see, it's kind of in ruins at the moment. Like the Velcro straps and everything, they're all snapping off, so we've got some duct tape holding it, and it's a bit of a joke, honestly. So at the moment, we've got a battery bag over there, and we're gonna actually be chucking that onto here. And so we're putting all of this in here, and we're basically making this thing look brand new again. So yeah, let's get right into the video, guys. I might try and give it a little bit. I'll show you the circuit test.
Guys, basically that last segment my camera actually just died, so I wasn't able to film the last bits, but basically we were just connecting up some wires and making a clean slate basically so we can put all the new stuff on. And now the next step is going to be I need to order a new controller bag, and hopefully that comes soon. So we need to get those two things. Alrighty guys, so it actually has been kind of a while, but since last time I was working on this video, we were doing some wiring and whatnot on the bike, but since then a new controller bag and a new battery bag has actually came, and I've basically just off camera I've wired it all up pretty much. So but there is one issue which I will show, and basically the problem with this is that like the power like to turn on the actual bike is here, but there's nothing, like even if you unzip it, there's actually like nothing in there. So we kind of need to like find a way to get the power button here and all that other stuff, and the charger here. Alrighty guys, so I guess the only thing to do here is just to try and actually like cut through here one way or another. I'll just real quickly show you guys what the inside of here looks like. Basically that's all it is, charging port and this. Zip it back up.
Alright guys, so we've just got all this stuff done, and basically now what we kind of need to do is take this thing out for a test run to see if everything's actually working smoothly. So I'm going to strap you guys onto my helmet, and I want to see how this thing performs. So without further ado, let's get into it. First thing we'll do, power on the bike, make sure that everything turns on all good. Yep, okay. So I'll be running this thing in a minute, so it's going to be a little bit odd, but it should still run fine. Alrighty guys, so the first thing on my list of things that we need to do at the moment is we need to head over to a post office box, because I've got an order that I need to ship. It's basically just a keychain, but I got an order in this morning, so I kind of need to go to the post office and ship that. So yeah, let's head over there. We need to head to the shops because I kind of need to buy some glue gun refills for something that I've been working on. So yeah, let's just head to the shops now. Alrighty guys, so we just got the glue gun refills here, so now I'm just going to chuck them in here and want to head back home. Alrighty guys, so now we just need to head back home. Oh god, nah, bro. I've been out of practice, I could barely even wheelie anymore. Alright guys, so we just got back from the ride, and honestly the bike handled itself pretty well. Because it's a kit, it's like dead silent, so no one really cares about it. And it goes like 75, which is like almost the same speed as like Surons and Talarios for like a third of the price, which is kind of crazy honestly. At the moment we've got a sale on my store for kits, so go check that out because I sell actually high quality ones. If you've got like a mountain bike laying around, go consider grabbing one. I mean, they're pretty fun. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, subscribe, and I will catch you guys next time.